Every Volvo truck begins with premium high-strength structural steel. Each coil is inspected before entering the production line.
The raw steel is straightened with precision-controlled rollers. Perfectly flat material ensures accurate truck frame production.
Computer-controlled lasers cut every component with millimeter precision. Each piece is automatically identified for assembly.
Powerful hydraulic presses shape the truck's structural framework. Every bend follows Volvo's engineering specifications. Robotic welding delivers exceptional strength and consistency. The truck frame begins taking its final shape. Every chassis is digitally measured before surface treatment. Precision inspection guarantees manufacturing accuracy. Shot blasting removes scale and prepares the surface. A perfectly clean chassis ensures durable coating adhesion. A corrosion-resistant primer protects the steel for years of service. Uniform coating is essential for long-term durability. The protective coating is heat-cured for maximum durability. Now the chassis is ready for mechanical assembly. The prepared chassis is now fitted with its front suspension. Precision alignment ensures stability and durability. The forged front axle is carefully positioned beneath the chassis. Every fastener is tightened to exact torque specifications. Heavy-duty drive axles provide the truck's pulling power. Laser alignment guarantees precise positioning. The advanced air brake system is installed with precision. Reliable braking starts with perfect assembly. Every brake circuit is pressure tested before moving forward. Even the smallest leak is automatically detected. The lightweight aluminum fuel tank is securely mounted. It will supply reliable power for long-distance transport. Compressed air tanks power the truck's braking system. Every connection is checked for long-term reliability. The finished Volvo engine arrives ready for installation. Every connection point is carefully inspected. The heart of the Volvo truck is carefully lowered into position. Perfect alignment ensures maximum performance. The transmission is joined to the engine with precision. The Volvo powertrain is now ready for drivetrain assembly. The drive shaft transfers engine power to the rear axles. Precision alignment minimizes vibration during operation. The advanced exhaust system reduces emissions efficiently. Each connection is sealed for long-term durability. The cooling system protects the engine under heavy workloads. Every hose and connector is securely fitted. The wiring harness connects every major truck system. Protected routing ensures long-lasting electrical reliability. The truck's electronic brain is now installed. Every control module is digitally verified. The truck's electronic brain is now installed. Every control module is digitally verified. Thousands of electrical signals are tested in seconds. Only fully functional systems move forward.
The driver's cab is built from high-strength steel panels. Robotic welding creates exceptional structural integrity. A perfectly clean surface is essential before painting. The pre-treatment process maximizes paint durability. Automated painting delivers a flawless factory finish. Every layer is applied with robotic precision.
The paint is permanently cured for lasting protection and shine. Next, the finished cab meets the completed chassis.
The painted cab is carefully joined with the finished chassis. Laser-guided positioning guarantees a perfect fit. Every cab mounting bolt is tightened with digital precision. This ensures comfort, strength, and long-term durability. The steering system gives the driver precise vehicle control. Every linkage is aligned for smooth operation. The dashboard combines advanced technology with ergonomic design. Every electrical connector is carefully secured. The air suspension seat improves comfort on long journeys. It is carefully aligned for maximum driver support. The interior is assembled for durability and driver comfort. Each panel is securely fitted for a premium finish.
The laminated windshield is robotically installed for perfect sealing. It improves safety, visibility, and structural strength.
The doors are aligned to achieve a perfect factory fit. Every latch and seal is tested for smooth operation. The iconic Volvo front design begins to take shape. LED lighting systems are precisely aligned. Essential fluids are automatically filled with precise measurements. Every system is prepared for its first operation. The battery system brings electrical power to the truck. Every connection is secured for dependable performance. The truck's electronic systems come to life for the first time. Built-in diagnostics immediately begin checking every module. Factory software is installed into every electronic control unit. Calibration ensures all systems communicate perfectly. Every system is checked before the engine starts. The truck is now ready for its first ignition. The Volvo engine starts for the very first time. Initial performance data is immediately analyzed. Advanced diagnostics confirm optimal engine performance. Every sensor is checked against factory standards. Laser alignment ensures straight, efficient driving. Precise wheel geometry reduces tire wear. The braking system is tested under controlled conditions. Balanced braking is essential for heavy-duty safety. The Volvo truck experiences its first simulated road test. Next comes advanced quality validation before final approval. High-pressure water tests every exterior seal. The cab must remain completely dry under extreme conditions.
Hydraulic platforms simulate years of road use. Engineers verify a smooth and quiet driving experience.
Advanced lighting systems are calibrated with laser precision. Perfect alignment improves visibility and safety.
Perfectly balanced wheels improve comfort and tire life. Computerized measurements ensure smooth performance. Modern safety systems require precise electronic calibration. Every sensor is aligned for maximum driving safety. The climate control system is tested for every weather condition. Comfort is as important as performance. Every interior detail is inspected by experienced technicians. Premium quality is verified before final approval. Every painted surface is inspected under precision lighting. A flawless finish reflects Volvo's manufacturing standards.
Critical fasteners receive one final verification. Digital records confirm complete assembly accuracy.
The completed truck leaves the production hall for real-world testing. Every Volvo must prove itself before delivery. The Volvo truck begins its first drive outside the factory. Engineers monitor every movement in real time. The powertrain is evaluated under full acceleration. Engine performance is measured against factory benchmarks. Emergency braking performance is tested under controlled conditions. The braking system must respond instantly and consistently.
Precision steering is essential for heavy-duty transport. The chassis remains stable through every maneuver.
Extreme road surfaces simulate years of real-world operation. The suspension is engineered to withstand demanding conditions. The truck demonstrates its pulling power on steep gradients. Power and traction are monitored continuously. Downhill testing verifies safe braking under heavy loads. The engine brake works together with the service brakes.
High-speed testing confirms stability and driver confidence. Engineers monitor every movement with advanced telemetry.
After testing, every critical system is inspected one final time. The Volvo truck is now ready for final finishing and delivery. Advanced driver assistance systems are tested in realistic scenarios. Every safety feature must respond instantly.
The truck receives a final professional cleaning. Every surface is prepared for customer delivery.
The iconic Volvo badge marks the completion of assembly. Every emblem is perfectly aligned. Essential accessories are fitted before delivery. Every item is checked against the production checklist. Every truck receives a complete digital production record. Quality data is securely stored for future traceability.
The final inspection confirms every factory standard is met. This Volvo truck is officially approved. Protective materials keep the truck in perfect condition. The vehicle is now ready for shipment.
The completed truck arrives at the logistics yard. It now awaits transport to its destination.
The truck is carefully loaded for transport. Every securing point is checked before departure.
The manufacturing journey is complete. Next, the Volvo truck begins its working life with its new owner. The finished Volvo truck reaches the distribution center. It now enters the final delivery preparation stage.
The transport protection is carefully removed. The showroom quality finish is revealed. Every detail is perfected before customer delivery. The truck is prepared to showroom standards.
One final software check confirms the truck is fully updated. All electronic systems are ready for operation. Every document is matched to the truck's unique VIN. The delivery package is carefully prepared. Every control is tested one final time. The truck is fully prepared for its new owner. The customer is introduced to the truck's advanced technology. Every major feature is explained before delivery. The manufacturing journey ends with a successful delivery. A new chapter begins on the open road. From raw steel to the open road, every step reflects precision. The Volvo truck is now ready for years of reliable service. From premium raw materials to world-class engineering, every Volvo truck is built for strength, safety, and reliability.